Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a couple of prerequisites. You're signed into your Apple ID and the device is online. Once done, unlock the device and open Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security so you can manage permissions centrally. You do this because location access is controlled at system level, not just inside Siri. Now scroll to Location Services at the top and make sure the master switch is enabled. This prepares the system to let Siri use your location when needed. Once Location Services is on, find Siri and Dictation in the app list or open System Services for broader controls. Tap Siri and Dictation and choose the appropriate permission, while using the app for limit or always if you want background access. Make sure Precise Location is enabled when you need exact results. Turn it off for approximate location. You do this because Siri's answers and location-based routines depend on the permission level and precision you grant here. To finish, test Siri with a clear location request like "Where am I?" If Siri can't access location, toggle Location Services off and back on, then restart the device. That often clears cached permission issues. Also make sure screen time restrictions or a managed device profile aren't blocking changes. Remove or adjust those if present. If problems persist, sign out/in of your Apple ID to refresh services. These steps resolve most failures and restore Siri's location function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.